So today I went thrifting, and I just wanted to show the things that I got. I got some really good prices. So I'm just going to do a pan, and then we'll look at each one individually. So this ring I got for €1. It's not worth anything, but it's just very comfortable to wear, and I thought it was really cute. So I got it. And then this little mirror is also €1. And it kind of goes with a Moroccan container of some sort that I have hanging on the wall, so I think I'll put it with that. This is a little painting, and then this is a little print, the artist by Boucher, and then this is an engraving, also by Boucher. Those three I got for €2.50. And then this really pretty engraving by Satellite, I guess. I got for €10. It's a bit bigger than the others, and I just thought that the landscape was really interesting. I don't know if it's maybe colonial, but it seemed really different, and I'm gonna do some homework on it and see if I can figure out where this is. Alright. Oh, and I almost forgot. This little scarf here, made in India, I also got for €1. And I like that it's mostly viscose, and then I think the velvet is polyester, so that's not so great, but I thought it was just really pretty. So.